Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your quality advanced S2 satellite decoder if you are in Nigeria. So all you got to do is to get a stable signal from your satellite dish by using the TP that will be highlighted on your screen. That's 12525 vertical 30K, and I'm talking of scanning it or getting MultiTv channels on your quality advanced S2 decoder. So you can use this same tutorial if you are using a similar FTA decoder. You follow the steps and then you apply it on your decoder to actually scan it and proceed to getting your channels right there. So the next thing that you have to do is to pick up your remote after having a stable signal from your satellite dish, connecting the cable at the back of your LNB import on your decoder. All you got to do is to press on the menu button on your remote, and from the menu page you look for installation and you press OK on it. So installation page, use the arrow left and right keys, look for installation, you press OK, and you press OK on antenna setting. That's the first option. You press OK on it, and from this page, if you have already set your decoder, you don't need to change many things over here. Maybe you are to rescan it, you don't need to change any settings over here. The next thing that you need to focus on is the TP. But in case it's a new decoder or there is no channel working on it, the first thing that you need to focus is a satellite. You need to select a satellite folder whereby you can add the TP that you're going to use it to scan or track on it. So you can select a hotbed satellite Astra 2A. Whenever you use the Astra 2A and you reboot the decoder, automatically it's gonna rescan the decoder for you. But whenever you use a different satellite, that automatic programming will stop. So it's advisable to use the Astra 2A. That's the first satellite on the list. So after selecting the satellite, LNB power is supposed to be on, LNB frequency is supposed to be a universal figure. So if the figure have been changed, you select a universal figure. So all these three figures over here, we have 9750 and 1075, 10700, 10600. You can select any of these three universal figures, and then you press OK to proceed. When it comes to the dissect is whenever you are installing multiple LNB or multiple satellite signal coming to your satellite receiver. That's where you need to connect a dissect, and then you set the dissect over here. So since you are not having any dissect on your signal cable, you need to ignore the dissect option over here to be supposed to be off. And then you come to the TP. That's the main thing that you need to focus on. So the TP is the frequency, symbol rating, and polarity. That's what you're going to use to track or scan to get those channels that you are looking for, whether it's MultiTv or MyTV. In this tutorial, you're going to focus on MultiTv. So all you got to do is to press on the menu button or the OK button on it, and it's going to highlight all the TPs in this satellite that you have selected. So you look through if you're going to find the MultiTv TP, which is 12525 vertical 30K. Will be highlighted on your screen. If you can't find it, you press exit, and then you press on the green button on your remote as they have indicated over there for the TP menu to open up, whereby you can add a new TP on it. So here you need to press on the green button once again for the adding menu to pop up for you to add the TP, and you have the frequency, which is 12525 vertical, and then 30K right there, and then you press OK to save. It's already on it, so you highlight it, you select it like this, and on this page you can press on the blue button to search or to scan your decoder. But whenever you select this option, you're not gonna get the brand scan option or the super brand, which will enable you to get more channels around and in the MultiTv platform. So you need to exit this menu, and then you come to the antenna setting menu, come down to the start search option you change it from satellite to either blind or super blind, and you press OK to proceed. So here you have the FTA only, which is the free to air only. It's actually indicates or is going to sort out those channels with a dollar sign on it, which you won't get access to watch it. So if you select yes, it will actually eliminate those channels that won't be available for you to watch. And most often to those channels, most of them are working, so you can just select the no, and then once it comes to the TV and then radio, you can sort them out. If you're not interested in listening to any radio channel, you can select only TV, and you press on a search OK on it, and then you proceed. So all you got to do here is to wait for it to complete scanning, and then you get access to the channels that will come along after scanning. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming for more.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.